എന്തൊക്കെയുണ്ടോ വിശേഷങ്ങള്? സുഖായിട്ടിരിക്കണോ? Welcome back to Nalla Nadan Sweden. Uncut, unedited, raw Zindagi. And also, welcome back to Unleash the Goddess in You series, 7th day look. So as always, this 7th day look is also dedicated to that form of goddess who is worshipped on day 7 of Navratri. She is known as Kalratri. So Kalratri, as the name suggests, she is the goddess of the night, goddess of the darkness. She is the most fierce, or rather ferociously aggressive form of goddess Durga. The story goes like this. There was two demons who were named Shumbha and Nishumbha. They had a boon that they cannot be defeated by any man on earth or sky. They ruled the world. They defeated the Devas. They captured their heaven, everything they did. They were troubling the sages and everything. And then the Devas and Devtas, they went to goddess Parvati to seek refuge. Goddess Parvati was bathing at this time. And then she sent her assistant. She created a separate form of goddess and sent her to the war. She is known as Chamundi. When she went for the war, Shumbha and Nishumbha also sent their first commander-in-chief. That is known as Chanda and Munda. So they came in and then they had a fight. She defeated them. Then came a demon whose name was Raktabija. Raktabija had a special kind of a boon. Whenever he gets a cut, whenever a drop of blood falls on the earth, his clone is created. He replicates himself as many drops of blood that falls in the earth. So that is his boon, which means that he can never be defeated in a war. If you just make a cut on him, you will see hundreds of Raktabijas. And Chamundi was not able to defeat him. At this time, she created the most ferocious form of goddess Durga, Kalratri. What she did was, when Chamundi was fighting with Raktabija, every single drop of blood that flowed from him, Kalratri drank the whole blood. And she was not able to control her anger in this process. She went on and defeated everyone. Any person who was coming in front of her in the war or whoever is standing there, she was running around and killing everyone. Seeing this, the Devas or the Devtas got anxiety. What will happen if she comes to us? She'll kill us also because she is not able to control her anger. At this point, they went to Lord Mahadeva. So this is anyways a form of goddess Parvati. And Lord Mahadeva came in and lay down on the floor. And she was so aggressive that she was not seeing anything, and then she stepped on Mahadeva's chest. At this point, she had that guilt that, oh my God, I have stepped on my husband. I am so much in my anger that I have not noticed him even. I have hurt him. And it is at that point in time that she got calmed down. And that is exactly the representation that we see in the pictures. Like her running around with the asuras, then the skeletons and everything. And then her tongue, you can see it is drenched in blood. And then she's stepping on her husband, Mahadeva. So this is how she was calmed. So this is the story of Ma Kalratri. As I told, she is the goddess of night, goddess of darkness. She eliminates all the ghost, evil, or whatever is a negative energy in this world, she eliminates all of them. Right. And I have done a very basic makeup as I have shown in the first video. Golden eyes, then the red lipstick, basic kajal, and then this is a choker set. This is a black crystal choker set. The same earring, matching earring. And for the hair, I have done a low bun with the original flowers it is. So it is white flowers. I think it is called as dahlia. I don't know. I'll not say. Some flower, white flower. We get this in our India, in our Kerala also most of the times. And I love this flower. So I'll show you how it looks in the back side. I hope you're able to see. So now I'll show you the full and final look and how I've made this hair and some photos as well. Come on.
So for the hair, what I've done here is I'll be parting the hair into two, and then I'll be taking small portions like you see here. Then I'll secure it using a rubber band, and then I will twist the hair inside. So here I have taken 3 sections and then I have twisted the hair inside out. Once this is done, what I'll do is I'll take the regular donut and create the regular low bun. For the extra hair, we'll take it around the donut and then we'll clip it using the U-pin. Now I have also put the original flowers. This is it.
Welcome back. So now that you have seen this look, the videos and the pictures, let me know via comments how you like this look. Day 7 is dedicated to that form of goddess who is worshipped on day 7, known as Kalratri. She is the goddess of darkness. She is the most ferocious form of goddess Durga. And what does this goddess teach us? That there is no one in this world who you cannot defeat. You are one of your kind. You are that much competitive. There is nobody. You don't have to look at what others are doing. I'll tell you like this, right? So there was this Asura, Rakta Bija, and everybody thought that he cannot be killed. But then there was always a way out. Her anger was that powerful that she defeated the whole of the Asura tribe in that war. So that is it. But that does not mean that you should always try and defeat someone. No. It also symbolizes to us, or rather in my mind, it symbolizes that you are one of a kind. Whatever problem comes to you, you will always be able to find a solution. Out of the box solution. It might not be the same thing as what the others have done. Probably something very unconventional. But you will always be able to find a solution for whatever problem comes into you. You have that capability. And it's sometimes very important that you curb your anger. As she was not able to, we had to bring her husband and make her hurt her own husband so that she calms down. So it's always that. Do be calmed down and then realize that for every problem, you are the one who will be able to find a solution. You are not less than anybody else. You have that ferociousness in yourself. You have that aggressiveness in yourself. And you have to utilize it for the good. Not in a way that you will hurt others intentionally. But then for your own good, you will be able to use it. So this is what Ma Kalratri teaches us, or rather this is how I have interpreted it. Now, I hope you have liked this video. If so, please do like this video and share your feedbacks and comments. Also, please subscribe to this channel if you have not done that already, because that means a lot. That will be a lot of encouragement. Because all these things, no, it takes a lot of effort. Right. So, thank you so much for watching this video. Do subscribe, share with your friends and family, and get ready for Navratri because it is next week. I'll see you with my last 2 looks very soon. Until then, ta-ra, bye-bye.